Hi guys, welcome back to Flowworks, and today we're going to be doing a dirty puddle pour, making up from all the paints I've pre-mixed in previous videos. Speaking of previous videos, check out my previous videos. The last two pieces of art I think were quite challenging. I've done a Thames barrier, I'm going to call it the Thames barrier pour, where I'd done two completely different pours which were separated. Check them out. Who's that?
Hello everyone, it's me.
Wait.
Can you see me?
No.
Hello everyone, my name is Evelyn Preston. You can see my hair.
Well, come under here and stand here. Careful.
And then up the stairs.
So if you've been wondering why I am filming with this backdrop, this is the reason why.
I've even got painty hand.
I'm clean. If you've been wondering why I've been filming on this backdrop, this is because this is my daughter Evelyn, and she's got her own YouTube channel.
Have you mentioned the colours yet? Let's give it a little brief. And a camera out there. Here we're going to mention the colours. Here we have a metallic kind of purple, magenta, whatever you want to call it. We have a
That's a green.
no.
I need you there so you can hear my microphone. I'll tell you what.
There's another one.
Hang on, let's clip that on there.
Okay.
So I guess I'll let Evelyn talk to you about the colours.
Okay, so we have a magenta purple with a little bit of like sparks to make it pizzazz. You're probably thinking, what are you doing, Jay? We have an indigo, like blue, greeny type of thing. Then we have a blue with specimens in. And then we have a like copper gold, and you're probably thinking, no, that's not going to spoil it. But anyway. And then we have a white, and then we have jello.
That's white.
Oh, that's white, and that's jello.
So she's going to be my little helper on this one. So yeah, this is Little Legs.
Hi, let me take my jumper off. I don't want to get ruined. Friends for life, am I right?
So we've got a 28-inch by, I think it's a 5-inch canvas, and we're going to do a dirty puddle pour. Start off with the white, fill up 2 cups with the rest of the paint that I've been using, and then we're going to manoeuvre the canvas about and see what art we've got.
Making cakes? Making cakes?
That's my spatula. Let's change this camera and let's
get dilly-dallying. Oh, there's paint on the floor, Jamesy boy.
Oh dear. Oh.
Okay.
So what I'm going to give
I need my hair tied back.
We don't worry about hair on this channel.
My hair.
No, you'll be fine. That's going to be your pot.
It's going to be my pot.
This is going to be my pot. The key is to pour a little bit of paint in, and then a bit of paint on top, and then a bit of paint on top, and a bit of paint on top. If I go first, and we do it in the same colour order, so when we do the pour, we should get a symmetrical pattern. So let's start with this dark colour. So look how much I'm pouring in. So I've just started with that much.
Okay.
You alright pouring that in?
Oh, this reminds me of moonlight.
Moonlight?
Yeah, like.
That's it, stuff. Yeah, this colour is like purple pearlescent, would you say?
I would say the stars, the moon. Look, guys. I would say the stars, the moon, and the sky mixed together.
Next colour, let's go for this green. Now the key is to run it down the cup so the paint sits on the other paint. Watch what happens, yeah? See that?
Yeah.
So that I'm not pouring it quick, and it's just sitting on it on the side of the cup. That's it. Next colour we're going to go for. Let's chuck in some of this gold. it doesn't smell. It does. She exaggerates.
Oh my gosh!
Right, the gold's going in. Pour it down the side of the cup and let it sit on top of the other paint. Tilt this cup more of an angle. That's it. Right, that's right, that's right. Go on, keep pouring. Keep pouring. That's enough. So we're going in with the blue, ready?
Yep.
Down the side of the cup. And that's in there. That's it, that's enough. Yep. Right, let's chuck some white in. It's a big cup, this one.
Oh, why you need a bit of white?
That's it, that's enough. Okay, we're going to go back.
Oh, it looks like a beach. Let me show the audience. That beach. I call this a beach in a cup.
Right, try not to move it too much.
Oh, is that grey?
We're back in with the first colour that we started with. So what we're doing is we're just trying to layer up the colour, yeah? So back over the edge of your colours. So you always want to go in where you've been putting your colours in. Okay, we haven't put any of this in yet, which is a whitey gold. Is this fun?
Yeah, the lollipop stick. Mine's going to be well better than yours.
Better. Let's speak proper English, young lady.
Woo!
Let's go back in with the last bit of this gold.
Whoa, look how cool this looks. That is really cool. Let me show you. Let's just get a zoom in on this.
A little bit of the gold, darling. Tilt the cup.
Who says a little bit? Let's go for wild. Okay, maybe a little bit.
Okay, that's it. So what we're doing is we're just trying to fill these cups up as much as possible.
Oh, by the way, if you want to wonder where the paints are, shall I say where they're from?
Yep, you can do.
They're from Hobbycraft.
Go in where you were pouring the other ones, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. Keep going. That's enough. Back in with the last bit.
When we start painting!
Back in with the last bit of the dark.
Is that it? After that, what do we have more?
These colours are going to be, yeah, back in with that last whitey gold. So if you've done that correctly, guys, your cup should look something like that.
No, no, that one's the worst. It should look something like that.
Alright, so put these down gently.
Okay.
Move this to the side. First thing we need to do is coat the canvas in white. So I'll do this bit, it's a bit tricky. So we're just going to cover the canvas in white.
Mum, I have my scone in a minute! Sorry. Yes, we do eat scones in this country.
Sorry about that, guys.
I love my scones.
She is crazy. Just looking to...
When can we pour?
Soon. Patience, my child, patience. So how many have I done in total? 5?
Yeah. You should see the funniest one, video 3. You don't know what he's doing in that video.
I don't know what I'm doing in any of these videos.
That's why I'm here to help.
You're here to help, okay. So hold the cup where that pour is, that's it. So let me do mine first and you watch. I'm just gonna literally do a little circle and keep it in the middle.
You should do a load of these circles.
So
It looks like, you know you get prints on like a coffee?
Yeah.
It looks like one of them.
Oh, there comes that copper.
I think this one's the best one. I think we should call it Peacock.
So just literally pouring that out, guys, in the middle. Keeping in the middle.
Let me have a go.
Oh wow, look at that copper and that white coming in now.
I need to have a go.
We're losing quite a bit of the paint, so I'm just gonna try and keep your canvas level, guys. Mine's not too level. Go on then, start pouring. So just in the middle, yeah? Keep going around in circles. Get it over there a bit. Just slowly, slowly. Slowly.
I feel it dripping.
That's it, slowly. That's good, Evelyn.
I've got the skills.
Just keep it in the middle. Just reduce the speed. That's it.
Hey, don't take over my job.
See here, you get little rings, yeah? Now you're going too out, just too much in the middle. That's it.
Oh, it hurts after a while.
That's right, you're getting into them whites. That's nice. Oh yeah, there it is. Keep that running, keep that running, keep that running.
Ow! Ow! It looks like a worm.
Okay. That's it, leave it. On its own, does that look absolutely awesome?
No. I think mine's better. I mean, actually I prefer that one. Oh!
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the next stage is to lift the canvas and tilt it so we can get the two colours merging.
No, just leave it like that.
This is the thing, it's like, what do? Do you want to leave it like that?
Yeah, you should have left it all.
Now this reminds me of like warping time and space. What do you think?
I like the middle, it looks like worms. It kind of looks like a picture, that one, in the middle. It looks like a bird's nest.
Don't you think it's amazing how much we poured them colours together, yet there's quite a
That looks like a
separation.
picture, the middle.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah. That is awesome.
That looks like a picture. Oh, you kind of spoiled it.
Do we cover all the canvas or do
No,
we stop?
leave it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I like it.
You like the negative space?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just
It
gonna...
shows emptiness inside.
Yes, you're right.
Yes, Dad.
We leave it there, yeah?
Yeah, I like that. What do you think?
I love the drips on the side.
This reminds me of, you know those rocks you used to collect? Don't touch me!
No, you can get closer to my mic. Go.
You know those rocks that you like get in the Natural History Museum or something? Those mineral rocks. It kind of reminds me of that. Yeah.
Yeah, you're quite right.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed that. That was a father and daughter production. This is daughter, this is father. Oh, we could call this the oak and acorn, because I'm the oak tree and you're the little acorn. The oak and acorn. This, guys, is called the oak and acorn.
I was thinking
Because this time of year, acorns are dropping. What would you call it?
Scarf and hat.
Scarf and hat.
You mean it's getting colder? And if you're in bed watching this, can you go to bed now? It's recommended to get 9 hours of sleep. Okay? No more pouring videos now. No more. If you hear, Daddy, you need to get your hours of sleep. 9 hours is preferable. If you're watching painting videos in bed, if you're in the morning,
I forgot painting.
right now, you need to go work or you need to get sleep. Yeah, it's preferable to get 9 hours of sleep. So the next day, if you wake up at 6 a.m, it's fine. You know why? Because you had to sleep. Now sleep now, sleep. What are you doing still awake? Sleep. Oh! I actually hate you.
You've moved your head into it. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. As I say, this is called the oak and acorn.
Oh, you idiot.
We're going to leave this one here, guys. Enjoy the cinematic ending.
Bye.
Bye.
Can I just... What are you still doing watching this? Sleep! Sleep or get out of bed or wipe your bottom now.
Evelyn.
I mean it. You can't be sitting on your toilet watching videos. You need to wipe.